This is the new monkey tail accessory from Insta360, and it's the most versatile and fun accessory that I've seen in a long time. It's so simple. It's a flexible, bendy metal arm that can be bent and twisted in thousands of different ways with infinite creative possibilities. And it can even replace your selfie stick and your tripod. It has a soft, squidgy, rubberized, textured finish, and you just want to keep moving this thing around and playing with it. It just feels so much fun and nice to hold. It only weighs 128 grams, so it's super lightweight. It has a 1/4 inch male thread for mounting your camera, and it also has a 1/4 inch female thread underneath so you can screw it onto other mounts. Although this is aimed at the Go2, you could also use it with your Insta360 One X2, whether it's for an invisible selfie stick shot, mounted on a tree, or cored up for a tripod shot on the floor. It has a vertical load capacity of 350 grams, so you could use heavier cameras in this vertical position or in a coiled tripod position, such as the GoPro or Insta360 One R or RS. The horizontal load capacity, however, is 150 grams, so it's less likely to hold its position when you use heavier cameras. And because this accessory is designed to easily bend, you want to avoid using it in situations where there's a lot of vibration, which could cause the monkey tail to accidentally move during your shot. There aren't many accessories that I show on this channel that I say that everyone should go out and buy, but this is the exception, especially if you've got a Go2. Go out and buy this accessory, and it's only £20.99 or $19.99. And if you want to discover other Go2 accessories, you'll want to watch this video next. My name's Rich, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.